A young boy named Max is sitting on a bench at the park, looking up at the sky. He sees a beautiful rainbow and feels curious. He starts asking questions about the world around him. The first question is, who made the rainbow? He is wondering about the creator of this natural wonder. The park is sunny, and the rainbow is vibrant and clear. Max's friend, Lily, joins him and points to the rainbow. She asks, "What is the rainbow made of?" Max looks puzzled and then pulls out a small notebook. He starts writing down answers to his questions. The notebook has colorful drawings and some words. The rainbow still shines brightly in the sky. The two friends walk towards the edge of the park. Max asks, "Where does the rainbow end?" Lily shrugs and says, "I don't know, but maybe it ends where the sun sets." They continue walking, looking at the sky. The sunset is approaching, and the colors of the rainbow change slightly. A bird flies across the rainbow. Max asks, "When will the rainbow disappear?" Lily explains, "It will go away when the sun moves behind the clouds." Max nods and watches the bird. The rainbow continues to shine as the sun highlights it in the sky. Max gets a bit tired and sits on a bench again. He looks at the grass and asks, "Why do the flowers look so colorful?" Lily smiles and says, "Because they have different pigments in their petals." Max listens carefully and tries to remember the answer. Lily suggests they play a game. Max agrees and says, "How do we play?" Lily explains, "We can play tag and try to find the rainbow." Max's eyes light up with excitement. They start running around the park, chasing each other with joy. After they play, they sit down to rest. Max looks up at the rainbow again and asks, "Who is the creator of the rainbow?" Lily replies, "It's nature, but we can't really know who made it." Max thinks about the answer and then smiles. Max asks, "What do the raindrops do to create the rainbow?" Lily explains, "They refract the light and split it into colors." Max's eyes widen with understanding. He writes down the answer in his notebook. The rainbow is still visible, shining brightly. Max and Lily reach a hill and stop to take in the view. He asks, "When do we see the rainbow?" Lily says, "After it rains and the sun comes out." Max looks around and sees a small group of people with umbrellas, then smiles at the idea of the rainbow appearing again. As they walk back home, Max asks, "How do we know the rainbow is real?" Lily replies, "Because we see it every time it rains." Max nods and feels proud of his new knowledge. He has learned to use question words like who, what, where, when, why, and how to ask about the world around him.